Rosie has £15 to spend on pens and pencils. She has to buy the same number of pens as pencils. What's the greatest number of pens she can buy? First of all, because she has to buy pens and pencils together, we have to add the pens and the pencils together to make 40p. And that's actually for your pens plus a pencil. And because she's got £15 to spend, we need to see how many times does 40 go into 15. But again, this isn't 15 because it's in pennies and this is pounds. So I'm going to do long division. This 15 becomes 1,500. Okay, and this isn't the easiest sum to do, so I'll show you different ways how to do it. But how many 40s go into 1 is none, so I'm putting a 0. There's 1 left over. How many 40s into 15? 0. Still doesn't, which means I've got 15. How many 40s go into 150? Now this is where it gets a little bit confusing. So along the side, I'm just going to write the 40 times table. Okay, which is going to be 40, then 80, then 120, then 160, then 200. Oh, but I only need to go up to 150, which is there. So I know 40 goes into 150 1, 2, 3 times. So I put 3 at the top. And the difference between 120 and 150 is 30. So we'll put the 3 and a 0 there. So now I need to see how many times does 40 go into 300. My times table doesn't actually go up that far. So I need to add to it, which makes it 240, 280, 320. I've passed 300. So now it goes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. I need to add more zeros and a decimal place. Okay. So the difference between 280 and 320. So I put 20 there. Okay. How many times does 40 go into 200? Oh, it's there. I've already done this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 40 goes into 1,500, 37.5 times. Now let's just actually go back to the question, because it is actually asking what is the greatest number of pens she can buy. So I'm not going to give the answer 37.5 because you can't buy half a pen. Okay, so I'm actually going to say it's 37. Now you might say, well, this is a 5, you should be rounding it up. But again, because you can't buy half a packet, you can only buy all of them, and that half is just going to be changed. So the answer is 37.